Hey, what's going on? So, doing more to finish the trailer. So we got the steel cut-ish, cut this out. So these are 2 feet, the long ones are 5 feet. So we got 10 things that are gonna go into the between. So this is where they're cut to, and this is what it's gonna look like at the end. So this is just placed in there, but that's the general idea of what we're gonna look like. We gotta clean all the edges on it, and then clean the long 5 foot and figure out our distances. There's 10 pieces that are going inside, so it should be relatively easy. Besides that, yeah, I think we just need to go clean the ends and start welding and putting this thing together. Alright, so about 2 hours later of grinding, we got to this part. So pretty much set up. They're 6 inches, each point is 6 inches away from each other. There is a little gap because of the curvature of the steel right here, the angle iron. But I'll just fill it in, I don't care anymore, I'm tired of this. Ish is still grinding out there, as you can probably hear. So he's almost done, he's doing his last long 5 footer. And then we'll go do that. So I'm gonna just go tack this up and see what's next. Yeah. All right, so I got all these tacked up. Probably messed up the GoPro because I had it on time lapse and I was taking stupid pictures. But so that's all tacked up. Angled it up to give it a little heat escape. So now I'm going to weld the rest of it and try not to warp the remaining. Alright, so the majority of the welding on the bottom is done. I'm about to weld here and here on all of these. And then I'm going to weld these front pieces here. So I weld all those. Well, I guess it's trying to do some more. So now it's all finished. No more for this one. It doesn't look too bad. So, one more to do. So this is our ramp temporarily. We still got to figure out how we're going to mount it to the trailer. We have a general idea, but it might change, so we'll see what happens. But this thing, we got to also cut the angle out that so that lays flat. But this thing is stout. So yeah, that's one. Ish is going to go weld up his, build his, and weld it up. That's loud. So, watch this boy struggle. Tired of this trailer being here, so we need to finish it. So now we're adding the lips for the ramp. So that's going to be these here. We're going to go put this on here. We got a little temporary piece. Hold that ish. Or center that, whatever. So, we're temporarily putting it on this piece here, which is going to hold it. Something like that, but that's fine, that's whatever. So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to cut out a portion of the ramp so it can lock into it, and we'll shave that down a little bit. That should be it, how to move these heavy ramps to this. So I don't know, I guess we just gotta get after it. Any ideas, Ish? Or is everything good?
It's fine, these are just heavy ramps.
They're very heavy.
Super heavy.
Let's go. So we got Ish, he set this up, he got some lines on here somewhere and he's gonna follow. What you should do, what you should do is put a piece of metal on it so you can follow the line.
Dude, my hand?
Bro, you serious?
Yeah, I guess, I forgot about that.
You're welcome, this is what I'm here for. Alright, well he's gonna plasma cut these lines out so we're shortening it so it doesn't sit really high on here, so it doesn't sit above this. So it should lay relatively flat with that, and that's the intent. I did weld this first one up. Doesn't look that bad, but that goes all the way down to the half point. I was starting to do the bottoms, but
Do I have to like
needed a break.
compensate for the gap and stuff?
I don't know. Yeah, just do that. Get a clamp on it.
Well, nice spiders on this.
All right, cool. Yeah, now we just gotta fix.
So we can't label that one turn signal.
No, there's 3 wires in there, so that it's different.
Huh?
Anyways, all right, so we got the trailer moved. We finished a lot of the ramp structures. All the ramps are pretty much done. I forgot to film because got distracted, but we notched these out so it will fit on here, and it sits pretty much level. And then we added these are like the they're stands, so when the trailer squats it goes to the stands instead of yanking up on my truck. So now we're wiring it. We got these 4 lights down there. We're gonna go wire those up and then eventually add some more. So we're gonna yank these wires, extend these wires down here all the way down there, and that should do that.
Probably 2 of these.
Yeah.
Put them on this one. Oh wait, oh you can't follow the top
Yeah.
of this one.
Follow whatever. Yeah. We'll
Follow the
figure it out.
side of that and then split it here.
Yeah, we can
underneath.
do that. Yeah, we can do that. All right, so here we go. Let's start this. All right, so we just drilled a 1/2-inch hole. That's where our wires are gonna pass through. We'll probably put some sheathing over it later. I didn't bring it here, so another day we'll do that. While drilling, my hand did get stuck. Now we got a bent 1/2-inch pivot, so that sucks. But whatever. So Ish is undoing the wires, so he's running the wires in there. So we're gonna run all 3, and then we're gonna do that twice for this one, and then do the same thing because there's a second loom. There's a second loom over here, so we'll just run 2.
And then red goes to.
So we're splicing the wires together right now. Ish is getting it all set up. We're gonna set it up for a pre-test and then go from there.
Red's this one.
And I'm gonna cut these and get those to length. All right, we made some progress. That backlight and the one that you can barely see is broken, but got all that going on. So right now the wires are just dangling. We still gotta tie them up, but this side is done and should function. So we're gonna go move to this side, knock this out. Relatively easy, just time consuming. The wire's tucked up, and we'll just tuck it in some more. Oh, we're so responsive. All right, so we're wiring up the other side now. We found out we messed up this one, so we're swapping the wires. We had the brake lights and the tail lights swapped for some reason. When we tested it, it worked. When we soldered it, it didn't work. So whatever, getting that fixed. This one should be fine. And now more boring wiring stuff. Oh yeah. Alright, we're doing our test. Alright, got tail lights. Uh-oh. What the heck? What was that?
You hitting the brake?
Push the brake? Something's wrong.
Huh?
Something's wrong.
What's up?
I said something's wrong.
Why?
That looks way brighter. Turn the right turn signal on. Go left. What did I do? Alright, time to figure it out.
So what was wrong?
So these are white and yellow, but they look very, very similar.
They're like sun bleach.
So even though the sun's not even touching them, they're just crappy colored wires. So I need to switch this white and the red are backwards, so I need to swap those back. So once I do that, hopefully it should work. Don't judge me on my solder job. All right, pull this out, Ish.
Yep.
All right, so I'll swap those wires around. Tail lights are on. Oh, brake lights work. Turn signal. You need the key. Ish. Hopefully this will be it. Other side. Cool. It works. Alright, time to finish this up. Alright, so these are all prepped and clean, so I'm gonna go put these right here and weld it in. Alright, with those being welded in, next is to go do the test dry or test rampy thing, and we're gonna go test this thing out if it works. Like I said, we still got the wires to hook up, but we're pretty much done for the day and just simple stuff. Oh, we probably should relocate the license plate somewhere too, but another day. Alright, so we got the trailer set up, so now I need to put the ramps on. We need to put our little side things on. It's just getting the diesel ready. Looks like it's not working. Gonna have to jump it. Let me go set this up. This idiot.
I forgot that
We swapped out 3 batteries to this truck. Because why? Why did we swap out 3 batteries, you big dummy?
Hey, I thought it was old enough that I didn't have to press the clutch in to start
Freaking
it.
idiot didn't push the clutch in so it'd start. Jeez. Alright, let's go get this set up. Yeah, I told you to make those lighter.
Oh, see pretty lights in there?
Don't look light.
Oh, and then immediately pushes it off.
Hey, you gotta be at the end to get the whatever that.
I'll have to pull it back.
Oh, that's it.
Lightweight.
We just gotta get the ramps to work. Well, the Dodge is on there. These did their job. Everything seems smooth. We just got to add this. We got to put another bar going across here.
But for at least for a truck, that was super.
Yeah, for a truck, it's not bad, and it didn't squat very much. Obviously, well, this thing put some work in.
Yeah.
But that was kind of the reason for it to, and it helps alleviate the pulling truck from back and forth and stuff like that from when it's going up and getting yanked up into the air. But I think we're done.
Yeah.
Lights work. Technically, we could drive it. Throw a license plate on it somewhere. And got anything?
Well, yeah, we'll have to like self-tapper it in or something, or put a bolt
Yeah,
in.
do some wire
We're just gonna
management.
clean up stuff.
Yeah, clean. But we're
paint
done.
some things.
Oh, we got to paint the top of
We
these.
gotta paint these. Paint that. Pretty much done.
Pretty much done.
So literally cleaning up and painting.
Yeah. Then that's not a video.
And
Worthy
then,
of a video.
Yeah, we have the reflective tape
Yep.
that we were gonna put on to like make it look nicer.
Well, at least it didn't break. That's, you know, overbuilt, over-engineered. Yeah. Final words?
Clutch.
Oh, yeah. You freaking idiot. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.